Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we're having another Russian ration. You guys know how much I love the Russian rations, and this is a single meal ration. I've done a ton of the 24-hour rations, but yeah, it should be an interesting one, so sit back and let's check it out. Alright, let's have a close look at it. Alright, the first thing you notice, comes in this weird plastic container, almost like a tray. Plastic feels very thin. Here's the label, and this appears to be menu number 1. Here's the contents list. It's all in Russian, so if you can read Russian, go ahead and read that. And it looks like this ration was made sometime June of 2016, and it looks like it expired in April of 2018, so it's a little bit past its expiration date, but I'm extremely confident that everything is in edible condition. So yeah, let's open it up. All right, let's get this thing opened up. Just carefully open it. All right, and we're in. Alright, here we have a portable stove. These fuel tablets do not require matches, so all you have to do is just hit that with the striker, and there you go. Here's the instructions, and yeah, it's all in Russian. And we have some Russian crackers, and these are excellent. We have this special treat, which is apple butter or apple jam. I love this stuff. We have a package of sugar, appears to be black tea, a couple of wet wipes or wet naps, so you can clean your hands or utensils. And it looks like we have salt and pepper. We have a very flimsy and paper thin spoon, a water purification tablet, and we have a small container of vegetable or zucchini caviar. Here we have a Russian Swiss Army knife or can opener, and here we have my favorite Russian entree, which is the beef kasha, and this stuff is excellent, top notch. Can't get enough of this. We have a simple napkin, and it looks like we have some kind of contents list, and this appears to be instructions for your water purification tablets, if you guys want to translate that or read that. And it looks like we have more instructions and more contents list and whatnot, more information. And that's it. Alright, before we get started, I just want to give a huge shout out and thanks to my friend Sharker73. He actually sent me this ration. He's got his own YouTube channel with a ton of ration reviews, so make sure you check him out. Check out his channel, and if you like his content, make sure to subscribe. Alright guys, there you have all the contents. You have the beef kasha, 2 packages of crackers, portable stove, a napkin, vegetable or zucchini caviar, wet wipes, salt, black tea, a spoon, apple butter or jam, sugar, black pepper, water purification tablet, and your Russian Special Forces tool. So let's get this stuff prepared and try it out. All right, let's start with the drinks. We'll prepare the one and only drink we have, which is the black tea, and we'll get some water boiling. So let's do that. We'll get the water boiling and we'll be back. And it looks like the water's boiling, so let's get the drink started. Let's open it up. Right, so it looks like we had an accident and we cut a little bit too much. So I guess we'll improvise. So I'll be back in a moment. All right, here's what I did. I just tied the string around the top, and it should work. Put water in there. We'll add some of the sugar. All right, should be good enough. All All right, and since we don't have that annoying string, we can just stir the tea without any problems. This actually works a lot better. And let's squeeze the tea bag. I know it's gonna trigger some people. You know who you are. And there you have the tea. It's got some nice color to it. Let's give it a try. Yeah, that's actually very good. It's got good flavor to it, great quality, no complaints. All right, let's heat up the main entree and I'll show you guys how to do it Russian style. Dunk it in there. And we'll just let that cook for a few minutes and we'll get back to it. Let's not forget our lid. There we go. And let's check out the disinfectant wipes or wet wipes. I like the camo packaging. We'll use this one for our hands. Very good quality. No real smell to it. Let's clean our hands. Feels really good. Let's check this one out. Not sure what the differences are. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Let's clean up our bowl. Yeah, not bad. Alright, let's check out the Russian crackers, and I believe these are wheat crackers. I could be completely wrong. Alright, let's open them up. Yeah, it's a nice looking cracker. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's a little bit stale, but nonetheless, still a very good cracker. Let's check out our kasha. And it's boiling away. Handle's extremely hot. All right, let's check out the zucchini caviar. Let's open it up. This one might have been compromised. I don't think it made it. Get some weird smells coming from it, so. Alright, so we're gonna skip this one. It looks like it might have been compromised. The texture looks a little bit different than what I'm used to. I've actually had this a few times before, and it's basically vegetable puree with some seasonings. But yeah, we're not missing much, so we'll just play it safe. Alright, let's check out the apple butter or apple jam. This stuff is great. Yeah, this stuff is amazing. All right, let's try it. Yeah, that is excellent. Can't get enough of this stuff. One thing I did notice is that different brands of this stuff have different flavor and texture. And I must say this specific brand is my favorite out of all of them. So let's try with the cracker. Oh yeah. Check that out. You can see tiny specks of apple goodness. All right, let's try it. Oh wow. Yeah, this stuff is out of this world. It's excellent. I could eat it all day, every day. All right, let's check our kasha, see how it's doing. Okay, and it looks like it's done, so let's retrieve it. All right, let's turn this off. All right, let's grab our kasha, and you do need thick skin for this. It's nice and hot. And here's where the Russian Special Forces tool comes into play. So watch very carefully. Doesn't work very well. And there we have our buckwheat kasha, and it smells delicious. Let's get it onto our bowl. Oh yeah, look at that. Got a nice big portion. And it is smelling really good, so too bad there's no smell-o-vision. And there you have it. You can see the beef and the grains of buckwheat. Let's grab a bite. Oh yeah, that looks good. Let's try it. Oh wow. Grab a bite. Yeah, the texture is very soft. It's very oily, as you can see. All right. Wow. Let's add some of the pepper. Let's get all of it in there. Why not? And let's grab another bite. And there you have it, beef kasha with pepper. Yeah, that definitely elevates the flavor, makes it a lot better. Let's try it with the cracker. You really can't go wrong with this. Oh yeah. All right, let's just go for a bite. Let's wash it down. Oh yeah. Alright guys, that was it. That was the Russian single meal, and I just love the Russian rations. They are some of my favorites, so I have no complaints. My only complaint is the packaging. It's a little bit flimsy, but that's about it. Other than that, everything was top-notch, excellent. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this ration an 8.5. It's excellent. I just want to give a huge thanks to my friend Shocker73. Make sure you check out his channel. He's got a ton of great content, excellent stuff, so check him out. And I want to give a huge thanks to my patrons. Thank you so much for your support. It's greatly appreciated. And to all of you watching, I hope you come back for the next review. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.